What is good, savings gang? It's your girl Frankie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, November the 3rd, and I'm bringing to you another 5 off of 25 for Dollar General. Now this particular deal is really good. You're gonna get some cottonelle tissue, the 12 count rolls for only $1.84 after you figure in all the coupons and look at the breakdown. Now, for this particular deal, you are going to need a couple of paper coupons and digital coupons as well. So I hope that's not going to, confuse anybody or be conflicting. So what you're going to do is pick up 2 of the Cottonelles, 12 rolls. I got the purple pack. I want to say that the blue pack is part of it too. So if you have a preference, go for what you know. You're going to pick up a 6 count Dove soap. And then you're going to pick up a Bounce. These are on price cut on sale for $2.95. It's the 60 count dryer sheets. You're going to pick up 2 of the Suave Professionals. They're $3 each. And the Trusty Filler Beauty Bar, Dollar General's soap. The 3 count is $2.50. Together, your total is going to be $26 and some change. You go ahead and put your number in and let the cashier hit total. And here's the breakdown of the coupons, the digital ones. Like I mentioned yesterday, I think the coupon expires tomorrow. There's a $2 off of 2 Cottonelle digital coupon, or if you have the Scots and you need paper towel, get the Scots on your preference. There is a $2 off of 6 Dove, Pond's, and some other products. It's a Dollar General coupon. There is a $1 digital Bounce coupon, and then there's a $2 off of 6 Dollar General coupon. If you spend $6 worth of products for Suave, then you get $2 off. And then we have that $1 coupon, digital coupon for Dollar General soap. So after everything is totaled, your total is going to be like $13 and some change. But hold on, we're not done giving the cashier all our coupons. Then here's where you need the paper coupons. There is a $1 coupon off of the 4 beauty bars, and it expires tomorrow. So yeah, a lot of these coupons, and it comes out of this insert. Retail Me Not. I can't remember the date. I usually write them on my inserts, but I didn't write it for this one. And then we're going to use what is this Suave coupon? The $3 off of 2 Suave Professionals coupon. I'm going to use those, hand them to the cashier last. Your total after all the coupons should be $9.45 plus taxes. Once you take a look at your receipt, you should see the breakdown. One of the tissues came out to be $1.84, and the other one was only $2.75. That's an amazing price for tissue. That's an amazing price for soaps. You got some shampoo and you got some laundry stuff. So you're pretty much getting set. So I think this is a really good deal. Like I said, especially this week if you're in need of paper products, and definitely next week because I have an amazing deal coming up. A 5 off 25 for next week because there are some great deals coming for Dollar General. So like always, if this video has helped you, give me a really big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave a comment below if you have questions about anything. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend.